Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare VYOND with ANIMAKER. The first thing I'm going to share with you is the main difference that I personally see. Then I'm going to compare pricing plans, and then I'm going to compare features. This is the most important thing in the video: templates, characters, scenes, how you can edit in VYOND, and how you can work with ANIMAKER. And that's pretty much it. So let's start. The biggest difference is this: that with the VYOND, you can actually work with whiteboard animation. So if you're looking for a program that is going to allow you to create a business explainer, cartoonish videos, and also you want to, let's say I'm going to choose from template here, you want to choose a whiteboard animation, you can actually do it with VYOND. So they are more complex comparing to when we compare the whiteboard animation and which program has it. On the other hand, with ANIMAKER, that yes, you have the cartoon videos. This is the same with VYOND. You can also create video ads, same with VYOND, but you have like a lot of templates here. Then you're gonna have like social media, invites, Instagram Square video, which is like good to create it, and also like GIF and memes. So, and stories, and that's pretty much it. And also with presentations. So as you can see, they got both really a lot of purposes, but in this video I'm going to mainly focus on how we can work with the cartoon explainer videos. Now when we compare the pricing plans, VYOND is really damn expensive. On Essential, like imagine this, VYOND on Essential for $299, they're going to offer you like the really everything, but you are going to have the VYOND logo will be imprinted in the bottom left of each video. On the other hand, premium account, which is going to cost you $650, that's what VYOND wants you to buy and use. Then you're gonna have like literally everything here. And professional is really great if you're gonna work with team. On the other hand, when we compare to ANIMAKER, it's much cheaper, but there is a huge limit in ANIMAKER that that VYOND doesn't have, is that with the ANIMAKER you have limitation how many downloads you can do. So how many projects you can actually create and download. You can like create unlimited project, but you can only have on the pro version for 468 build yearly 20 premium downloads. And when you come here to VYOND, you don't have it, but it's just expensive, and also it offers you whiteboard animation. So if you're someone who, to summarize the pricing plans, if you're someone who looks into the let's say whiteboard animation with the cartoon, VYOND is for you. If you want to build, I don't know, let's say for social media, for Instagram Square videos, and you like the ANIMAKER more, you can choose ANIMAKER. So what I really like that you can actually try both, that with the VYOND you have 14-day free trial, you don't have to add a card. With ANIMAKER again, you can still also play around, same with the VYOND. So that's really great, because comparing to Doodly and Toonly, you have to actually buy those programs and download them, and then you can try them. So this is huge on both, and this is a huge positive thing I see in both, that even when you're gonna start the free trial, they're not going to ask you straight away for your card. I love it. Now, when we go further to the comparison and how it actually works, so with ANIMAKER, you need to come here and see cartoon video. Let's say view all. I don't know what's this, but let's say I'm going to choose this one here, or you can simply choose beauty. I don't know why it's getting me here, like I don't really care. Grammar day. Okay, here we got it. So you can really choose by the days here. And like, but I really want to, let's say, oh, here it is. Okay, thanks God. Like I thought that, like, what is happening, you know? So we see here the cartoon 2D, and you can choose the template and find it here. Then we have like video ads that I can use, or explainer, and I can choose which I want. So I'm going to choose this one here, use. On the other hand, when you come here to VYOND, it's better, because I'm going to choose the template here. I'm going to choose business friendly, and I have literally everything here. So I have the CS, the education, the finance, see, HR, healthcare, holidays, home, industrial, insurance, and straight away you're gonna have like plenty of options what you can do. So I'm going to like choose this one here, And voila, here I have it. And I can click preview. And now it's going to play. Nice. So this is how VYOND works with scenes. And this is how it works with ANIMAKER. And again, same thing here. I'm going to turn off the music. And here I have it. So this is how you can have like the explanation with ANIMAKER. And now let's look on the characters and how we can edit. So with ANIMAKER, you can do most of the things. You come here. You can change if he's waving, explaining, plenty of actions. And what I really like that when you're going to choose the actions here, you can clearly see on right side what is happening. So you know that when I'm going to click here, or like the computer, I can clearly see what he's going to do. So there are plenty of animations. Now when I come to VYOND, I'm going to press character, and now I have options to, let's say, business friendly. Again, I choose office here. I can choose my library. And let's say I'm going to add this person here. Nice, I'm going to delete one, delete this one. And this is how I can add a character here. And then you have options to edit it, order, mirror, friction. You can really play around it. We will get to it. When I come here back to the ANIMAKER, I can again add like characters, and I can simply find all the characters here. But what I really like about ANIMAKER that you can actually edit. So it doesn't really matter what kind of character you have here, only because then you're gonna press here and you can choose everything. Eyebrow, mouth, bottom wear, shoe, top wear. See? And I can edit the colors here. So that's huge. Let's go to VYOND. Saying I'm going to top right, expression, action, replace, motion push, and this is pretty much how we can do it here. Sorry, so when I'm going to continue, I really like that ANIMAKER you can do it, that you can change the colors. Then you can add a smooth motion here. But when I'm going to compare one thing, and that's in VYOND, the actions, and what you can use, you're gonna see plenty of actions. And what I like, that you have like got them in categories. So you got cooking and catering, and I'm going to choose, and voila, here I have it, right? So, and I'm going to play it. Let's see preview. And now look, he's doing a really good tacos. And it's pretty fun, right? Exit preview, and I'm going to click on it, action, and I have these kind of categories. So this is what I like about VYOND, that you won't really get lost in it because you're gonna see plenty of categories. Now, when I go further to the ANIMAKER, that I like that you can change the colors, and you can even upload your own character and create your own character. So that's huge in my opinion. What you can do with ANIMAKER. So that's pretty much it. Now, when I should summarize the characters, they got plenty of them. But one thing that I really like is that, yes, they got plenty of, VYOND got plenty of characters that you can use, but ANIMAKER, you can edit those characters. So that's really huge. And on both, you can choose the expressions here. Same with expression in ANIMAKER. So that's pretty much it. Now, in both, you got properties. Here too, when I'm going to properties, and again, you got better structure of what you're gonna find in VYOND. And okay, I need to find retail. And then I'm gonna have like plenty of retail things here. And let's say I need to find money and finance. And see, you're gonna see plenty of things that you can actually add. And then you're gonna see also video contents here. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. And I can't really say that one is better comparing to the other. I can only say that I really like what you can do with the VYOND and how you can find a lot of objects. Then you have a text here. Again, same thing, that you can add a text. Same with the VYOND. I'm gonna add a text and I can edit, and you can switch easily between whiteboard, animation and others. Then you can have a chart here. Chart here also is really great in VYOND. That's something huge. Text and audio, same thing here. Oh, here it is, create a new character. I was looking for this and I didn't know why I couldn't find it, but with VYOND you can create a new character too, right here. So business friendly, body type, and you edit everything here. Edit top, accessories, and bottom. So this is huge, and I finally found it where you can do it. I don't know why I mistaken and I couldn't, and I knew that they had something like this, that you could create a character. So this is how you can do it. You come here and you create a new character, so they are on the same level with ANIMAKER. And I'm sorry that I said that you couldn't do it. I knew that you could, but I couldn't find it straight away because I remembered it's somewhere here, but I thought it's going to be right here, not on the left top corner. Now to go further to audio, on both you can add audio, same right here, music, and you can upload your own. So it's really similar, and the editing is also pretty much easy. So to summarize this whole video, yes, VYOND is more expensive, but you can do the whiteboard animation. On both you can create your own characters, you can edit the clothes and everything. So I can really say that one is better comparing to the other in that regard in characters. The third thing is that I really like with the ANIMAKER, when you come here, that when you're gonna have the animation here, let me show you, and you would edit the animation, that you're gonna see all the things right here that you don't need to actually try. You're gonna see what you can add and what you can change it with. With the VYOND, on the other hand, I like that you got everything in those kind of categories. That when I'm going to choose a character, I can see clearly. Then when I'm going to add a scene and a template, I can see clearly what I want. And that's huge, and they got more scenes, so I think that I would probably go with the VYOND even when it's more expensive. But definitely guys, you got 14-day free trial in both, that you can test it out and test them by yourself and see it by yourself which one you like more. So thank you very much guys for watching, have a great day and goodbye, see ya.